How's it going, gents? Here we are today, Motogp ride. I'm going to get hit by this Commodore coming out of the drive-thru at Macca's on the KTM 790 Adventurer with the wife on the back. About to head off to Cranbourne. Let's jump on the beach. Look how much gear I've got, man. The full Wolfman set. Expensive, but amazing quality. Fire up the KTM, the new beast. Jump on. This bike's so quiet. A couple of people braved the weather. It's going to be rainy as shit in Phillip Island. A lot of people are scared. I'm kind of scared. Luckily I got an adventure bike. Adventure gear, man. I got my Revit Sand 3 waterproof adventure gear. Pure comfort, pure warmth, protection. Cruising 650, here he is. On the Beamer. I know, this thing's so quiet, man. She's too quiet. The exhaust is coming for the KTM. You will see it soon. Tram. I'm so wide now, these huge panniers, man. I got so much stuff to camp. I mean, it's pretty nice. Like, I've gone from ultralight camping on the WR to now I'm 100% glamping. I got a table. I'm bringing a table to motorcycle camping. It's unheard of. It's kind of crazy how much stuff you need to bring when you're camping with two people. I mean, obviously it's just double everything, but that's a lot, man. Like, when I first was looking at bags and stuff, I was trying to think, I'm like, oh, what am I going to need to bring and stuff. And I got like 2 sleeping bags. I'm like, that there takes up a lot of room. And, you know, my wife needs a big freaking quality down sleeping bag because, you know, girls are always bloody cold, so she needs the good sleeping bag, the big one. So we got Marshall's BMW. Very nice looking Jigsaw. Straight piped, of course, as all Jigsaws must be. A little bit of rain on the visor. RVF 400, look at that beast, man. On Club Reg, love it, man. I'd love to have one of them. Brendogs, why'd you sell your Repsol RVF, man? So nice. See what else we got? New Jigsaw GSSX. GPX 250. Great sounding MT-07. 650 Ninja MT-07. So here we are, gents. Another year, another freaking motorcycle. I honestly, like, it kind of amazes me. Now, like, I said this last year because I bought the MT-10. I'm like, there's no way. I just bought a brand new MT-10. It was very expensive. Like, there's no way I'm going to sell it within a year. I'm building a house. I'm building a house because no one has a big enough garage. So I'm like, I got to build my own freaking house with a big ass garage, with a freaking door in the back so I can put shit in the backyard. Got to wash shit in the back. So I'm building a house, and I needed to get rid of the MT-10 for a little bit. I need to get rid of the MT-10, sort out my home loan and stuff, and then go back to YOLO Tom and start buying bikes again. So, and then when I rode the 790, I thought, oh my god, this is better than the MT-10 on the road pretty much. And it's off-roadable, and it's adventure bikeable, and you can carry a whole bunch of shit on it. I'm like, this is amazing. So I sold the MT-10 and I bought the 790, but I'm saying this now, I freaking hope I still have this motorbike next year. Actually, now I'm thinking about it, I'm like, this is a brand new, like, motorcycle, so like first year of the 790s being out. It could be shit. It could just break, could just be absolutely terrible, and then I could buy a Tenere and I could be on a Tenere next year. So I don't even know, man. I don't even, like, everyone's like, I'm doing this on purpose, buying new bikes and stuff. It just seems to happen. Old mate's running out of fuel in the SSU. He's smoking a ciggy. He's literally smoking a ciggy while pouring petrol from a jerry can into his car. Oh my god, that is actually kind of dangerous. Like, using your phone and stuff while at the petrol station isn't really dangerous, but the vapors and stuff, I mean, it's still pretty hard to ignite freaking from a cigarette, but that's gold, man. Love it. Smoking a dart. Oh, how's this weather, mate? She's coming in. She's coming in. I will have to say, I'll do a full review on the KTM. I'll take it off-road and show you why I think it is fantastic. Also, what is terrible about it. There is some bad points. A lot of people get angry when I start bag-mouthing like brand new motorcycles. They're like, oh, you know, you're so lucky getting new motorcycles, why do you bag them out? Well, I paid full money for it. Like, I don't get... there's no Riding with Tom discount when I go to the dealership. KTM, I bought this from Bolton's KTM in Kyneton. They had no idea I was riding with Tom. I didn't tell them, hey, I'm riding with Tom, give me a discount. I just went in there, I said, hey, can I have a 790 please? Full freaking $24,000 I paid for it, every option. I just paid full price for it. So I think that allows me to be able to say whatever the hell I want. If I got this bike at half price, or, you know, all options free or something, then I would feel a little bit bad, completely bad-mouthing KTM and stuff. But as you've seen from my reveal video, like, I'm still a little shitty with KTM for the 690 drama. Yeah, I definitely don't think I'm getting anything free from them anytime soon. So I can, I never got anything free from Yamaha. I've literally never got a Riding with Tom discount on motorcycles. I buy every motorcycle full price. I generally get an actual kind of shit deal. My MT10, like, I probably paid too much for it and stuff, because I didn't really realize that they weren't really selling MT10 SPs. A lot of them were sitting there from 2017, so I probably could have asked for a lot more money off, but I paid full price on my MT10. So I'm definitely allowed to say some shit about this bike, and I will be. But I'll also tell you why I bought it, because it is fantastic in a lot of ways. But anyway, we're on the Motogp ride, and we're coming into some weather, so I might come back to the eventual downpour that's going to happen. I'm wearing my Revit waterproof jacket. My wife's in a Revit Gore-Tex jacket, which is a very nice looking gear. Unfortunately, we only wore the jackets though, and we're wearing like Nikes with jeans, so if it does rain, this will be unpleasant. Cruise control, boys. It's kind of cool that the old BMW, man, cruise control from freaking years ago, mate. That was the first. 999, 1000, break-in done. Oh, and now it says service. Damn, that's annoying. And have this yellow and a bloody warning light. If I can clear that. The rains are coming. It is wet. Slipping and sliding. This is kind of wet, man. Kind of happy I want an adventure bike now, man. It's a little windscreen, makes a big difference. Bit of wind protection, and the tanks on the side. There's a lot less bikes, that's for sure. There's a lot of rain here, man. It is a wet day. We are the brave ones. Rain, snow, hail. I will be at the GP run, man. Hey, I'm lucky I'm on an adventure bike though. Especially camping, it's going to be wet grass, man. Should be even more interesting. There's still bikes here, man. Just a little bit further up. We are early as well, so. All right, gents, here we are. Another GP run. The Behemoth did great, man. In the wet, that's when adventure bikes shine. Classic Melbourne spring day. Blue skies now. Just got a latte. Now it's blue skies. Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who's this guy in his Komani adventure gear? Brendo.
Like and subscribe.
Little late, man.
I'm so late.
Little late.
Are you guys at the front?
Getting off the road, Yeah, we're like out the front, yeah.
So. Mate, it's like half the crowd from last time.
Oh, dude,
probably like a third.
It was pissing. When we rocked up, pissing with rain.
And when I was at home and it was just bucketing, I'm like, oh wait, 20 seconds for it to pass.
All right, gents. Starting them up. Oh, I stacked it. The bloody KTM's too heavy. I got a lot of heavy gear, and this ain't no lightweight camping trip. We got the heavy gear. Put cruise control on, that'll keep you from freaking falling off. All right. Who was up in the cherry picker this year? I have no idea. Someone probably. Here we go, out of Cranbourne, waving, yeah! Another year, another MotoGP ride. Nice and rainy one this year. Fitting for Phillip Island. Let's hope it keeps raining for Jack Miller. Tuz pretty good in the wet. But if it's going to be dry, I think Quartararo is our only chance to give a bit of a challenge to Marky Marquez. Kawasaki 900. I think my dad had one just like that, man. My dad had a brand new Kawasaki 900. I think that's an actual girl riding it. Dad, you're riding a girl's bike. Alright, let's slap some kids, man. Let's hit some children. It's my favorite thing to do is hit kids. Coming in for the slaps. Gotta remember, I've got panniers on the side. Coming in, beating kids, punching her. Just knock them out. Tell this story every year, but I hit a kid at like 90. I hit him too far up the arm, and I think I just knocked him out. Coming in, coming in. Got him good. Who's this old mate? It's bloody Brendan. Brendan. Red Dogs. Another, oh, how's it going, mate? Bloody another 790. Does this guy like Valentino Rossi, do you think? You got the two Valentino Rossi helmets, the jacket, the flag. I didn't even notice the flag. Holy crap. He's got VRD46 number plate. He's on an R1, a Fiat R1, and he's got the Doctor flag coming out of the backpack. That's great, man. Oh, ZX2R, CBR 250RR, hell yeah, man. I'm so excited for the new ZX25R. Oh, it spotted me. 790 power! So much noise, so little speed. I'm so excited. Oh, we got another CBR. It's the freaking 254 cylinder club. Hell yeah! I'm joining, boys. When that Kawasaki ZX25R comes out, I'm joining. We can go screaming around at 50 k's an hour. This is usually Floppy Boob's territory. Floppy Boobs! There she is! It's gonna be a good year, boys. You know it's gonna be a lucky year. Gee, there's some wild weather at Phillip Island this year, man. The wind is insane. Wild, man. There we go, boys. Over the bridge to Phillip Island. Bike campers, that's me. They're over this way, eh? Whoa. I forgot about my panniers. I just nicked them.
I thought you were going to deck yourself straight into the tyre barrier.
Nah, she's all good, mate. Just testing them out. I was just telling the camera how I'm going to forget one day that I got panniers on. Windy. Oh, it's so windy. Wins at the GP. Just destroying people's stuff, man. He's got the rooftop tent, the freaking trailer on the back of the Harley. That's great. Pour some out for these lads. Pour some out. Have a campfire here tonight. Great spot. Here's the bike. Too bad now, is it, Kathy? Nice warm blaze.
Every year, mate. Cheers.
Nice tinny every year, mate. Every year. Just the soundtrack of Phillip Island camping. GP weekend, all night.
Yeah, someone's like, fuck you, I got photos.
Kid here's flying a kite, having a blast, flying his kite. The CRF 450 is just flying his kite, man. He's loving it. Not interested at all in your feathers, man. Just like, I've seen it all before, Phil. It's not the biggest of feathers.
Siberia.